Fabergé your way through a luxurious Easter indeed.
A weekend super yacht with a lot.
And what is this week's gift for those who have it all?
This week on Lux Life, it's all about Easter and the luxurious ways you can enjoy the long weekend break.
And aren't we all waiting desperately for that long weekend break? First up, and the brand Fabergé is of course synonymous with Easter due to the world famous series of eggs created for the Russian imperial family between 1885 and 1916. They are absolutely stunning, absolutely historical, something that everybody really loves and enjoys. For those who do lack the blue blood though, there is an alternative way to get your hands on a Fabergé egg. These delicately handcrafted pendants are the perfect Easter gift, starting with this red egg, or Nina pendant as it's known. It's from the Heritage Collection, features a vermilion red enamel over guilloche engraved yellow gold. Now the branches and leaves are made of white gold and set with diamonds. $14,750 is all it takes, and it could be yours.
I've got that in my handbag right now.
Yeah, and on Prue there's a gorgeous multicoloured Fabergé spiral. It's from the Spiral Collection. It's in yellow gold. It features over 240 gemstones, including yellow, violet, blue sapphires, white diamonds, and of course rubies. It works perfectly for Christmas, also with all of those beautiful festive colours around your neck there, Prue. $17,900. Both of these pieces are available from Vendôme Boutique in Sydney, and as you can see on screen, there are a few different choices, not just the ones we've got, varying in cost depending on the amount of gemstones on there. So any lucky lady would enjoy that for a gorgeous Easter present.
But it's not all just about us, sadly. Don't worry, gents, we've got something for you too this Easter from the iconic French jeweller Boucheron. These cufflinks from the Carter collection are right on the masculine mark, handcrafted from white gold, yellow gold, pink gold, and if that wasn't enough, Boucheron chocolate gold. They offer a perfect balance of classic and modern design, strong in masculinity. Oh, I do love these, are so beautiful, yet delicate in their appearance. The chocolate gold section is a pattern called Pont de Diamant and is quite the looker, and it goes brilliantly with, if you were having a few extra dollars on the side, the ring. This ring is superb. Now all of this comes again from our friends at the Vendôme Boutique, which of course is based in Paris, and there's 6,000 or so for that first part. And if you want to really go all out and buy everything, you will be a very popular girlfriend or wife.
Yeah, the ring at about $2,590.
Which is amazing for the amount of gold involved. I'm very impressed. It's gorgeous.
Yeah, and obviously if you do buy it for your gentleman, then you can wear it as well.
Yes, I can wear it.
And cufflinks can go on any shirt, doesn't have to be a man's shirt.
Exactly.
If you don't feel like facing the Easter traffic this year, why not get away without having to actually get away? Australian Super Yachts has a range of luxurious vessels you can charter for the whole long weekend or just a day. My favourite, of course, this gorgeous one, the Patriot.
Very sexy, isn't it?
Ed Sheeran was in it during the week, Prue, so if it's good enough for him, it's good enough for us. Absolutely gorgeous, open, sun-drenched decks, jacuzzi, enough space for 20 people inside to fit comfortably for your Easter cocktail party.
Nice.
Gorgeous Versace fit-outs, lovely timber floors and panelling on the walls. It's just gorgeous woven carpets. Definitely something I would be up for on Sydney Harbour. Charter for the day starts at $12,000.
Wow. Oh, and finally, this week's gift for those who have it all. It's the most extravagant Easter bunny. This is a knockout. Former Harrods chef decor Martin Chivers took 2 days to carve the bunny, which is made of Tanzanian chocolate and weighs a whopping 5 kilograms. The bunny's eyes are encrusted with diamonds, natch, from luxury jewellery retailer 77 Diamonds, hence the outrageous price of $63,000. No chocolate costs that much on its own, so the diamond's clearly the hero there. The bunny comes with 3 chocolate eggs decorated with gold leaf, and for the calorie conscious, there are just 548,000 calories. If you don't think you can get through this much chocolate on Easter Sunday, don't worry, the bunny can be stored for up to 2 years if it's frozen under the diamonds.
I mean, clearly it's all about the diamonds. It is the most possessed looking Easter bunny I have ever seen. It almost looks like a kangaroo.
Nothing against the cook, but I mean, my God, it's the
it just looks crazy.
Ugly bunny, spooky bunny.
If you've got a great product you'd like us to swoon over, send us a tweet or leave a comment.
Thanks so much. Next week, more of Lux Life.
Bye.